Good morning, Mom. Good morning once again. So, from that question that you've given to us, which is all about the technologies or that someday it become mainstream. So, my answer to that question is how we would that impact society as we know it, or what is the impact of it. So, from the word technology, it is the use of tools, machines, and systems to help make our lives easier and solve problems because without technology it's so hard for us to access information, and also it is part of our daily lives, especially from this in these generations right now that all the people are using technologies. Even the appliances at homes are also technologies, driven by technologies. So from using smartphones and computers to advanced systems like artificial intelligence. So this artificial intelligence that I am talking here is it's so famous or popular in today's generation, and most of the students are using this kind of technology, this artificial intelligence. And also technology continues to grow and change the way we live, learn, and we communicate. It's because of this technology, it could make our lives easier to communicate other people from just like in other country. If you have a um, family in other countries, so it's so easy for us to communicate to them with the use of technology. So if this technology became or become uh, rather so if these technologies become mainstream in the future, so they can greatly impact no they can greatly impact society by making life easier and faster, because there are so much technologies that so high tech, no it's so high tech to use, especially through automation and advanced tools. So however, there may be also problems in that. So there may also problems in that because of the technology, it may cause problems just like job loss. Yes, job loss, privacy issues, and over dependence on technology. So if that generation may come, so starting from now, so many people will the advantage of it many people will rely their lives in all of their lives will rely on technology. Even the simplest thing that they could think is they rely it on technology. That's why it causes problems, and also it could affect their jobs because they're too much relying on technology instead of doing it personally. Privacy issues, because a lot of people will have a problem in privacy issues. A lot of because a lot there are a lot of scammers, no so that's why they get problem on that. And also over dependence because of these technologies. Many people will so dependent on technology they can't even work on their own. They spend too much on technology. So because of this, we must learn how to use technology responsibly and balance its benefits and risk. No, we should always know what is the disadvantage and advantage of using the technology in today's generation, because even the smaller one knows how to use technology right now in this generation. That's why we should always use it responsibly and balance. It's okay to use technology, but we should think first what is the outcome outcome um if we people is very over dependent in using that kind of technology, because there are a lot of technologies that is invented in today's generation that could make our life easier and simpler. Artificial intelligence push us to think critically about the ethical, social, and personal implications of using that kind of tools, no? Mimic, modify, and even replace aspects of human life. So even though sometimes we might feel and think that we can easily replace by those artificial intelligence that also become human, they can also do what the humans can do. So even though um, I don't think so if um, in the future generations we have a lot of artificial intelligence now, but for us now we should always think the what is the real um, outcome of that, because there is a lot of artificial intelligence that is invented in today's generation, so we should always responsibly use them, and to always think that we should not always rely on them, because if we always rely on those artificial intelligence, it might um, destroy us, destroy our reputation, destroy us as a human. No, so we should always think what is the possible outcome of doing that. No, we should always be careful on using that kind of artificial intelligence. Also, many technologies that challenge what we think is natural and change how we understand life and reality. Just like, for example, these artificial intelligence or AI can think, learn, and create humans. So just like us, AI also can think, no, can learn and create like humans, such as AI chatbots, no, that write essays or compose music. No, they are very this is very high tech. So genetic engineering allows scientists to modify genes in living organisms, like creating crops that resist diseases or developing gene therapies to treat genetic disorder. So, and also virtual reality can create immersive experiences that feel real, such as VR games. Oh, I experienced that VR games during my childhood days. That I feel like I am in that situation. Like it's so real that I can feel that I am belong into that game, but it's just a technology also that driven to that games it lets the players explore other worlds, or VR simulations is for medical training. So robotics can perform tasks once done only by humans. No, um, it's so it's so very high tech that even the robots can do what the humans can do. No, robotics can also do that. So they are so very high tech, and also robotics can perform so many tasks just like other humans, from manufacturing cars, assembly lines, assisting surgeons during complex operations. For me, these technologies are impressive, very impressive, because they can do that, they can do whatever the humans can also do. So it's so impressive for me as a person, because they expand what humans can achieve, but they also make me reflect on what is truly natural and what it means to be human. Yes, it's so good that we have them. They can help us, because they can do whatever the humans can also do, but we should always think that um we should use it responsibly and innovatively, especially in some certain areas of our lives. No, and also um this AI artificial intelligence